In this video, I'll show you how to use forms to tag contacts and start automation journeys in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wondered how to automatically trigger actions based on what contacts fill out in forms, this is exactly what you need to learn. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through it, step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up everything. Let's dive right in. First, start by creating a form. Whether you're using this for a newsletter sign-up or gathering customer details, the process is essentially the same. Most platforms, including our software, make it easy to create forms with customizable fields, like name, email, and any other data points that are important to you. Once your form is created, the real magic happens with tagging. Tags are like labels that categorize contacts based on what they submit. This helps automate processes later on. To set it up, just add a tag to the form response. For example, if someone signs up for a newsletter, you could tag them as newsletter subscriber. This tells the system, hey, this person is now in my list for this specific purpose. Next up, let's talk about automation journeys. Once you've tagged your contacts, it's time to build the automation that will trigger after the tag is added. In most platforms, this is just a few clicks away. With our software, you can set up triggers that initiate a workflow based on the tags you've assigned. For instance, if someone is tagged as a lead, you can set up an automation to send them a welcome email or assign them to a specific follow-up list. Now here's the best part. Automation journeys aren't just about sending emails. You can do a lot more, like moving contacts through different stages of your pipeline, updating contact information, or even alerting your sales team when someone takes action. This ensures that each contact gets the right message at the right time based on their behavior. And yes, setting up these workflows is straightforward. All you need to do is go into your automation builder, select the trigger, like the tag you've added, and set the action, such as sending an email or moving the contact to a different list. It's an efficient way to save time and make sure no contact falls through the cracks. Now, before I wrap up, remember that the software we're using today offers an exclusive free trial for you to try it out yourself. You'll find the link in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. So, what's the key takeaway here? Using forms to tag contacts and trigger automation journeys helps you stay organized, engage with leads more effectively, and ultimately grow your business more efficiently. By tagging contacts properly and setting up automated actions, you'll save a ton of time and give your audience a more personalized experience. To recap, first, create your form. Then, add tags based on what your contacts submit. Next, set up automation journeys that are triggered when a contact gets tagged. Finally, remember to check out the exclusive free trial linked below. It's a great way to follow along and implement this strategy yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.